and I got it done in half the time it said. So I'm like, you know what? That's a win. I can do that. 63rd in the building, 63rd Inglewood. What up, Jake? Is it like Amazon Flex on the trips like this? Yes. Where it say 11 drop offs, yeah, those are like just like doing an Amazon Flex route. You see this one, it say 15 drop offs, same thing. 13 drop offs. Only difference is, you know in advance what time you got to be at the warehouse for Amazon Flex, and you load up. Kind of take a minute to load up too, but on these is very quick, and a lot of them are pick up as soon as possible type orders. I typically don't do those. I tried them out a few times. I like to make my money easier than that. What app is you showing? This Walmart, Walmart Spark. Yes, sir. Everybody who on the wait list, they gonna get you on right after Halloween. Soon as Halloween over with, everybody who been on that waiting list since last year, they gonna let you on. I promise you. Cause by the time Thanksgiving come, and then Black Friday, and then Christmas shopping, you gonna be on. All them holidays, they always let everybody on, cause it be way too many orders. Ooh, what's this? 13 for 1 mile, but it's a shopping order. Probably like a $2 tip. I ain't gonna mess with it. Appreciate you. Stay blessed. I'm chilling, man. We sitting here in the Sam's Club parking lot, sitting in the AC, waiting on this $300 order that's finna hit my phone. Wouldn't that be crazy if we seen $150 order going 25 miles? I'd take that every day of the week. I bet it do be orders like that going out. Now that I done seen $100 order, shoot, I believe as long if them customers be generous enough, hell, you can. And the thing is, with Sam's Club, you can do. See, at first Sam's Club only had stupid orders, but then once they start, really separating the customers, and sometimes you can have one customer drop off, sometimes it'd be two customer drop off, sometimes it might go up to 7 or 8 customers, but it allows more opportunity for all them customers to tip. I be seeing some orders from Sam's Club, them tips be looking nice. I like shopping at Sam's Club over Walmart any day of the week too. Sam's Club, it's just cheaper. If you buy your stuff in bulk, it's just cheaper, and they got a way better selection, in my opinion. And the store brand from Sam's Club is way better than the Great Value brand. Like you can buy the member mark for all your products, and you're gonna be good. It's gonna be good quality, but you can't say the same thing for like Great Value brand or like any other store bought brands of the grocery stores. So I think Sam's Club is a good place to shop. And if you spend $400 at Walmart, and you take that same $400 and go to Sam's Club, you're gonna get way more. You ain't gonna have a whole bunch of bags and stuff that you don't need, whole bunch of trash. I'm telling you. Then you can get all your meat from Sam's Club. Don't even get you get all your meat, man. Shit. Clapped cheeks in the building. God damn. Diddy is on the loose. Beats us. What's up? What's up? NYC 443. He said, I'm pulling up. What up, Omega? Omega Max. What up, Jake? Sally Beauty. They got Sally Beauty orders out here today. You know it's good when you see Sally Beauty orders. Because you barely ever see those. You'll see 10 Home Depot orders before you see Sally Beauty. So if you see that, you know it's really busy. That's a good sign. I don't never pick up from Sally Beauty. Ever. Finally got me a W2. Shout out to Trill. What up, Trill? Shout out to Cheeky Chops. Got a question for you. Did you double tap that screen on your way in? What we got?